If your website is service oriented, then you can also add in a service list section. To add in a service list section, let's just click on this plus icon right over here and then go around and bring in a service list, as you can see right over here. So this is kind of like, you're selling something over here. So you can see that there's list and everything with pictures. So I'm just going to click here and then add in the section just like that. So once you add in the section right over here, it'll load up. And then you can add in section right over here. So here it says you have bookings right over here, and you can manage the section right over here. So on the left side, you can see the title of the list that you can choose. You can also create a new service. There's like image that you can work with. So you can enable or disable the image right over here as well. You also have duration right over here, as you can see, and other options that you can work with. So let us go over here and then manage this out. So let me just click on manage, and it opens up a new window where you can add in your services and can manage them out right over here. So it opens up, as you can see, and this is where you can manage out your list right over here. So there's 3 services over here, as you can see. So what we can simply do is add new service right over here. So let's say, for example, this is like multiple participation right over here. So this is more like, let's say, for example, a course right over there. So that's the service that you're trying to provide. So I'm just going to go around here and I'm going to say tour around the city. So something like this, for example, right over here. A category you can add in right over here. So you can say something like travel and add that out over here. You can also add in an image, but I'm just going to skip this process. And over here, you can also add in subtitle, and you can add it in the description, like see the city view right over here. So just a simple service right over here. So this can be a free service or a paid service, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and add in $100 right over here. You can also add an accept payment, like accept deposit online, and you can add in the schedule of the service right over here, as you can see. And you can also add in more staff members right over here and save in the service. So you can need to select at least one day, as you can see. So you need to select the days of the service and the time that you work with. So no Saturdays or Sundays, just from Mondays to Fridays, let's say, for example. So I'm just going to start the service right over here. And then what happens is that the service is here, just like that. So you can upgrade your account right over here to accept payments and so forth as well. So anyways, right over here, you can also set up work hours and everything else. And here you have the service of your choice, which you actually added in. So if I were to close this out, then you'll have your service right over here. So I'm just going to go on to later. So over here, you can manage out your service. So you can see that tour around the city is located right over here, as we worked on with that. So let's go to design section right here and see how else we can list out our services. So you can click over here, and then this is more like a list, as you can see. And there are more like different designs where you have little boxes over there, just like that. And you have other services right over here, as you can see, with different design options. So these are how you can give services on to your customers. So this is how you work with service list section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.